Have you ever been looking for something more into the mirror than just yourself? Print on mirrors using Ghost White Toner and Multitrans Pro transfer media. Hi, my name is David, and as you've seen in our little intro, we're going to print on a mirror today. To print on mirrors, you just need our new transfer media, Multitrans Pro, which we've already shown you on this channel and a few other applications. It's a fantastic media because it's very versatile, very flexible, and can be used on many surfaces. We will be using our Mini Ghost, which is the HP Color Laser 150 NW printer with our white toner cartridge. By the way, we have white toner cartridges for many different printers, so just head over to our website www.ghost-white-toner.com to check if we've got your printer covered as well. If not, you can go for one of our bundles. We feature printer bundles from as little as this guy all the way up to big A3 and professional transfer printers. Printing on mirrors requires you to, of course, have a mirror where you would like to print on and to have a design set ready. When we're printing with Ghost White Toner, everything in my design that I want to print in white needs to be black, and this is just the way I have preset my design. So I'm going to insert the Multitrans Pro into the printer. And quickly check if I've got the white toner installed. When using the Mini Ghost, we recommend that you put a few sheets of paper in the bottom of the tray, no matter which transfer paper you use. This can help the printer pick up the paper way better. For my print settings, I'm going to choose labels for my paper type, because this is what we recommend with this printer for the Multitrans Pro, and I'm going to print in mirror image mode. This is important because we have a transfer here. For this design, it actually doesn't matter that much because there's no letters on it, but if you want to print a lettering or something, you will surely need to have it mirrored to get the letters rightly represented. As this is a pure white design, I will make sure that I hit the print in grayscale button so that only the white toner will be used for this printing process. When my file printed out of the printer, you can see all the details of the white fine lines, and I've set my design so that I've got two designs on one A4 sheet, and I just roughly cut them in half before I start with the transfer. To start with the transfer, you need a printable mirror, and you need to adjust your heat press so that the mirror doesn't crush. So do not use too much pressure, which is totally okay with Multitrans Pro. Place the mirror on the heat press and cover it with a silicone mat. We've got silicone mats in our web shop, so you can purchase these as well. They help to smooth and even out the pressure. To prevent the silicone mats from sticking to your heat plate, just cover everything with a matte finish non-sticky adhesive paper. And then you pre-press the mirror for about 45 seconds. This will make sure that the mirror is fully heated and can pick up the design better. Once the mirror is preheated, I can remove the paper and remove my silicone mats and place my design. To do so, I'll just align it to the mirror. For this design, it doesn't really matter because the mirror is round. If you have a design with letters that requires more accurate placement, you will have to figure that out before you print. Then you cover it again with the silicone mats, and same as before with some non-sticky matte finish paper, and you close the press and press it now for 1 minute. Before I open the heat press, I will use some heat protective gloves. Multitrans Pro is a hot peel, so there is a risk of burning your fingers, so better wear some heat protective gloves. Once you open the press, you start removing everything, like the matte finish paper and the silicone mats, and then you immediately peel the Multitrans Pro. This is a hot peel paper, so you immediately peel it off. As you can see, the design has transferred, and also some other parts of the Multitrans coating have transferred. This is no problem because you can easily wipe away the coatings that transferred using a cloth. As you can see this, all excess that has been transferred gets removed easily, and then only the printed areas remain on the substrate. We will let the mirror quickly cool down before we clean it. Once the mirror has completely cooled down, you can see that we received a scratch-resistant, very nice print. You can really go over it and clean it toughly, and you can see that we really got a nice transfer. If you've got some excess still, you can use either water or a wet cloth to clean it, and you can really rub strongly over the design. Or you can also just use glass cleaner, like the regular glass cleaner, to clean your mirror. It will not harm your design, it will not harm the toner transfer. As you can see, you get a really nice and clean and good transfer. So this is how easy it is to print on glass mirrors, using our white toner and Multitrans Pro transfer paper. It works perfectly also with the color and the black toner. So personalizing mirrors is, I guess, the next thing to do, and we're excited to see what you guys might do with it. If you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notified when we put out new videos about transfer, toner transfer, t-shirt transfer and other specialty toners. For today I say thanks for watching and see you next time.